In this video, we'll be looking for some advanced function of date. Add and subtract days in date. Okay, let's start. Let's see, this is a today date. If I keep here cursor, you can see here formula bar today. If I want to add 5 days in current date, how do I do that? It's simple math like adding two different number. Just imagine this is a one number, this is a second number. How do you add two different cell? It's simple, equal to first cell, add second cell. Just enter here equal to, select the first cell, add second cell. Now just enter. You can see now the date is 11 November and after add 5 days it's become 16 November. Similarly, if you want to subtract the 5 days from the current date, just equal to, select the current date minus 5 days and press enter. See, it has gone 5 days back. So this is you can add and subtract the days on your current date. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel and like it.